Say hello to the camera.
Hello, motherfucker.
It's your boy, iHeart Manii. You know, we're doing the intro at my house. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Jordy. Look at yourself, Jordy. Show yourself, Jordy. Show yourself. Show yourself.
Hello, nigga.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
So, you can see for the title, we have Alkaline in the building.
Oh, Smoke, watch ya. Bend it in the place.
Wait a minute.
Well, not really. It's kind of clickbait, but I use Alkaline lyrics and try to get girl, but I don't know. When you say Alkaline, I go click. Yeah, so. Anyway, I go punk the downstairs, I'm gonna wait in my sleep. Let's go. Very nice too. What's the plan with Alkaline? What's the plan?
Yo, many guys. You don't know, so the boss just wake up young lad. Many guys.
Click. Yeah, where I use in lyrics and try to get girl today.
My brain's still now. Sorry, love, friend.
Yeah, yeah, man. Watch the video. What?
Watch your ads. You're deaf.
Excuse me. I say you cheat somebody. You see without a wave. I say you cheat. If you cheat somebody, you see without a wave. All me I say just don't throw it all away, please. We might have messed up. But don't give up on me, you see. Yeah. I want to spoil you. And just give you everything you like, you see. You have a boyfriend? See? Yeah, you do me like that.
Alkaline. Alkaline. Alkaline.
Hi. No, I want to spoil and give you everything you like, I swear. Why am Don't throw it all away. We might have messed up. Please. Don't give up on me, please. Don't throw it all away. You might have messed up. Please. I just want to treat a special order. I don't know I'm going to birthday. You have a boyfriend? What you say?
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm okay.
So I say you treat somebody see without your wave. So you can treat me. I just want to spoil you. Enjoy this stuff. Why the mother the young lad like that?
Whatever.
Oosh! I'm out. Yo, just let me spoil you. Yeah, anything you like. As long as you're right, then you're right. So you're mad. That's what I like, you see. Two away. Mother like.
Alright, keep on.
Bumbuckler.
Hey, that's why I'm never did that.
Oh, try again.
Baby, just make me spoil you. Yeah, anything you like. As long as you're alright, then me alright. You know you're mad. Like my lyrics. Like my lyrics. And my lyrics, them, I'm tough though. So you can't give me a number.
Hey. Nah, man.
Maybe. I'm just using lyrics. No, maybe. Excuse me. I'm talking to me. Just want to spoil it and give it everything. Seriously. You have a boyfriend? He's not take. Even if you have a man, even if you have a man, so what do you do?
I'm married.
You married?
I'm really
Real. Come on, treat it special. Whenever they come. That Jano star. say you treat somebody else without your way. For real? For real? But you look decent and elegant still, I'm not gonna lie.
But it was nice talking to you. I think some other girl out there would bully her.
You know, like, you know why you chose that way. You might have
You're
fucked
singing
up.
a lyric. Bye. Hello.
Whatever.
Jeez. Yo, G, murder go on, you gotta get the blame. You forgot for everyone, but every man get the grain. You see, you go up with them and I like shame. Going from the judge, tell her a badness say name general. You know them crime? A lie I tell. Brother, if we do the crime, no lime right now. The banger them a call me. Yeah. Well, the coke there. Yeah, everybody I got dead. Yeah.
No, you know, so I'm ready for anything. Still.
Alright, when they talk to my general, everybody are dead. Murder go on and the Ruga get the blame. Big up yourself, my general. Nice talking with you. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, Ruga get the blame. Yeah. Everybody dead. Yeah, spread way.
People always ask me, Manii, how do you video from all the way over there and you're way over there? How do we hear the audio? And well, I'm here with answers. Today I have this thing called a mic and a receiver. As you can see, I'm talking really low, but you can hear me. And you know, I'm gonna walk closer. Yeah, cause this is an ad. You gotta watch this cause you can't skip it. There's this mic I got from Pinglings. It's a phone store. Yeah, I'm gonna show you their IG page. You should go check them out. The name of the receiver and the mic is called Hostech. It's right here from this box, and I can be all the way over here and you still can hear me. So yeah. Ta-da. Check out them IG page, Pinglings. Them have the widest selections of phone accessories and a lifetime warranty on USB cables. So yeah, you guys should check them out. I'm out.
You see right now, rain is falling, breeze is blowing. Hear me, I say no, things are flying. Don't go outside, cut it. Yo, Siki, boy them a chase, you know. Shot go through them in space, you know. Boy feel like them clever in my youth. I come fight vendetta in the youth. Post right boy them in the youth. I chain you know, you know. Lyricist. So boy for dead my youth. Gunshot through them head my youth. Feel like death my youth, man. Ever living in my youth. Death, you know. Push. No Gaza, you know. You see it? Yeah, brother, mass murder, you know. Call emergency, you know. State of emergency, you know. Gun there, rapid, you know. Clap it in a fire, you know. Shot it, you know. You see me, I say? Clap it, clap. Vendetta, you know. Hush, you know. You see it? Hush, move. Young lad. Right now. You see it? Yeah. Right now. Boy, them for dead right now. Sick a chain, you know. But you don't know. Out here. Ever out here. Vendetta. You see it? Hush, move. Mad. No, man, which music? A gunman thing, man, dep on Siki. Bust boy head. You see it? Yeah, man. Bust boy head. Flip it, strap it, clap it. Never say me stop it, rap it, clap it. Yeah, man. You don't know a thing, say. Up top. Yeah. Strap it. Clap. If ever anything you over there to say, brother. Here. Can I talk to you for me? No line, I'm not spoiling. Give you everything you like. I swear to you. You have a boyfriend? Even if you have a man, so what still? Is it more treated special all year round? More treated?
I said 5 minutes.
I say I'm gonna do the young lad. I'm just taking more treated special. Listen. I'm gonna say even if you have a man, so what? All the thing now just some company still. You see, just a little tom, you see? So you just gotta eat. Somewhere else? No man, more you for me my property. My landlord and my possessive. So you gotta eat a Burger King and don't give me none. You ever hear about Big Timer? Well, I mean that. You made to go smooth me study.
What?
So cardiac, because you don't know them language. Eh?
No.
You man, I mean him Big Timer, you see it? Yeah. But just want, you know, take you out. You see, break you out.
In my video?
Yeah, come grab me.
Pinky Records.
Where the fuck you going? Where are we going?
Yes, God, send down all your
You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about something? You just remember? That ever thing where when you start videoing, you will like...
What you know if that work? Better test it. Because I don't want to go over there and go lose the image here. So test it before test it. Fuck.
I love you, bitch. I'll never stop loving you, bitch.
Wind down the window, hold my pronouns for them life, them a baton. The boy never bad, it is a friend, him with a fella. In a different seat, is a 32 man. Go buy box food, get a bullet in my swallow. Better him did stay home with him grandmother. In my bed for him life, bound don't kill my brother. You know give no boy chance to retaliate. Him a go on like thugs, but to me him is a bait. When the ox see a drive up, pan him in my shape. Did that thing both for run, but the time too late. Dogs come for your food, me this shit not a plate. Me head get hot, everything evaporate. Every rascal family I get assassinated. And if you diss me today, after them me retaliate. Can't let the people, not sentimental. Times away was not accidental. A country there, the car full of petrol. Taxi you pull up by your wood, but a rental. And you don't pity people, not sentimental. Times away was not accidental. A country there, the car full of petrol. Taxi you pull up by your foot, but